I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by understanding that the display property defines how elements generate boxes. Common values include block, inline-block, none, flex, and grid. Use display. Block to make elements take full available width and stack vertically. Use display. Inline to keep elements flow inside text without line breaks. Display. None removes the element from layout and from screen readers by default. You can switch values in media queries to adapt layouts responsively. Always set an element's display explicitly when replacing or wrapping elements. These basics let you control layout precisely across CSS rules and components. Flexbox and Grid are modern layout systems built on display values. Use display. Flex to create one-dimensional layouts with flexible rows or columns. Set flex direction, justify content, and align items to control alignment precisely. Use display grid to design two-dimensional layouts with rows and columns. Define grid template columns with values like 1fr2 fr1 fr for 3 columns. Set gap 16px to add uniform spacing between grid tracks and flex items. Combine media queries and grid to change column counts responsively at breakpoints. These systems let you build complex, prefer semantic HTML, and only change display for presentational adjustments. Use display, inline block when you need box sizing without breaking text flow. Avoid display, none for content you want screen readers to access. Use area hidden instead. Reset form elements with display, block when aligning labels and inputs vertically. Use display, list item for custom bullets and display table when simulating table behavior. Test layout across browsers. Default display values differ for many HTML elements. Document the display choices in component styles to maintain predictable design systems. Follow these patterns to keep layouts accessible, maintainable, and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.